today's videos we are talking about Microsoft Word's page layout option. We are discussing this option first chapters also. We are repeat here some options. First of all we are discussing about margins. Here is lot of margin option. Normally we are using normal option. Default option is normal options. We can see here. See here effects. Then you have narrow, moderated, white, and then mirrored. Here is some option. Then you have check the orientation. Orientation we have portrait and the landscape, two types of the pages. We can see here landscape. Then you have preview the page. Here is see. Here is repeat this option portrait and landscape. Then you have set your page size. Then column. Here is default three types of the columns. We are added more columns here. One column. Then two columns. Three columns. Using this type of columns, newspaper and articles. Then I have select one columns and your pages set is left size or right size, depend on working conditions. I have set one column. Then more columns here. You want 4 columns, then you have type here 4. Width spacing here, columns width spacing, and here is also this type of you want this type of spacing, you can set. I have set again default type. Here is page break. Page breaks, column text dropping. Next continuous pages. Then line numbers. Line numbers here I have set here continuous line numbers. Then you have numbering of the sentence. हाइपरनेशन. अगर आपको पेज को हाइपर देना है तो यहाँ से आप हाइपरनेशन दे सकते हैं. ये देख सकते हैं. Orders. You want to remove hypers? Then none here. So today's we have checked the page layout option. अगर आप हमारे चैनल पे नए हैं तो हमारे चैनल सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, क्योंकि इसी तरह के नॉलेजेबल कंटेंट के लिए, आगे के कंटेंट के लिए हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए.